So this is my take on a KFC zinger burger. It's supposed to be buttermilk. Got a couple of tubs, 500 to 600 ml should do it. Going in with all this seasoning. Give it a good stir. Then get yourself a couple of chicken breasts, butterfly them out, and submerge them in your buttermilk. Make sure they're coated nice and evenly. At least marinate 2 hours minimum. And for a nice sauce, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mayo, a little bit of vinegar, chili sauce, salt, garlic powder. Give this a good mix. Let your dry rub, so 1 cup of flour and the exact same seasoning that went in your buttermilk. Give it a good stir. Get a production line going. So into your dry mixture. Don't be afraid of that double dip. So back into the wet and into the dry. Should look like this. Deep fry 150 degrees until it's golden brown and crispy. So toasted bun, your sauce, lettuce, tomato, your chicken.
Fried chicken, fried. The other one contains Bab's copycat recipe, but made in the oven without hardly any oil. Cast iron skillet and cooled oven. Preheat oven to 450. Season chicken with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, cup and a half of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, paprika, cayenne, black pepper, granulated garlic, sage, thyme, oregano, celery seed, dried mustard, and seasoned salt. 3 tablespoons of buttermilk to my flour mixture. With clean hands, I'm combining my buttermilk with the flour mixture till it looks kind of shaggy. Rub that buttermilk into your flour mixture. 3 eggs with a teaspoon of salt. Dip each piece of chicken in the egg mixture. Dredge each piece in the flour mixture, pressing firmly to adhere. Hot cast iron skillet out of the oven. And avocado oil right into the skillet. Chicken skin side down into the hot oil. Back in the oven for 15. Time to turn the chicken. When the breast registers 160, time to remove. Oil drained off, just transfer to the other side. The big reveal. It's B for Babs.
Today I'm going to show you guys how to make KFC chicken from scratch. First you're going to need 4 chicken breast tenders, then marinate them in 1 cup buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of hot sauce for 30 minutes. For the breading, in the first bowl you're going to do 2 eggs, then the second bowl you're going to do 2 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 a teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 a teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 a teaspoon of baking powder. Then just dip your chicken in the egg and in the flour mixture. Then fill a pot with some oil. Then fry for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden brown. And there you are.